When it comes to selling your home, staging plays a crucial role in attracting potential buyers and maximizing its appeal. By presenting your home in the best possible light, you're going to increase the chances of a quick and successful sale. Hey everyone, I'm Joe Skipper with Skipper Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty, and I'm going to go over some of the top things you need to know about home staging so that you can sell your home quicker and for a higher price than you ever imagined. And if you are a seller, buyer, or investor and want to stay up to date with the latest on the housing market, like and subscribe to this channel. I put out content regularly so that you can go into the home investment journey with the most knowledge so that you can make the best financial decisions. So let's explore the best ways to stage your home effectively. I'm going to highlight some of the key strategies and techniques that have proven to be successful. Some of these are more in depth and require some work, but some are super easy and make a huge difference in how your home is going to look. So let's start with an easy one. Declutter and depersonalize your home. To create a clean and spacious atmosphere, it's important to declutter and depersonalize your home. Start by removing personal items such as family photos, personal memorabilia, and excessive decorations. Clear the countertop shelves and floors of any unnecessary items. By decluttering, it allows the buyers to focus on the architectural features and envision themselves in that space. This is also what most good agents will ask you to do prior to the photographs of your home so that it shows the best when you list it. By decluttering and depersonalizing, it also makes it so much easier to show your home once it's listed. You don't have to stress as much about quickly throwing things in closets and clearing countertops every single time a showing request comes in. Deep clean your home. A clean home leaves a lasting impression on potential buyers. Ensure that every room is as spotless as you can make it by thoroughly cleaning the floors, windows, bathrooms, and kitchen appliances. Now pay attention to details like grout lines, baseboards, and light fixtures. You could even consider professional cleaning services for a more thorough and detailed clean if necessary. This is especially important if you have pets. Some buyers that come to your home have pets and are totally numb to that smell that comes with animals, but for people that are sensitive to that or don't have or like animals, it can be a deal breaker. So make sure you do what you can to make the home as clean as possible so buyers come in not judging it right away. Neutralize colors and decor. This one requires a little bit more work but can completely change the look of your home for the better, especially if your home currently has funky or unique colors. But by having neutral colors, it creates a blank canvas that appeals to a wider range of buyers. Repaint the walls in soft, neutral tones like beige, gray, or light cream. This helps buyers imagine their own furniture and personal style in that space. Now remove any bold or personalized wallpaper and replace outdated fixtures and hardware with more modern options to create a fresh and updated look. Again, this may take a certain amount of cost and time, but it can transform your home and add thousands to your final sales price. Optimize the lighting. Proper lighting can transform the ambiance of your home. Open curtains, blinds to let natural light in, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Replace the dim or outdated light fixtures with bright, energy-efficient options. Use a combination of ambient and accent lighting to highlight key features and create a warm and inviting environment in each room. Lighting is especially important during your photography session before you list your home, but also before you leave the home prior to a buyer showing up for a tour. By opening the blinds and turning on lights, this creates a nice, bright environment when your buyer walks into the home. Create functional spaces and inviting spaces. You can arrange furniture to showcase the flow and functionality of each of your rooms. Remove any bulky or unnecessary furniture to create an open and spacious feel. You can place furniture in a way that maximizes the space and creates a clear pathway throughout the home. Now consider creating specific areas within rooms to demonstrate their intended purposes, such as a reading nook in the living room or a well-organized home office. And with that extra furniture you move out, I would suggest getting a storage unit to hold it, but if you're on a budget, you can store that stuff in the garage if you have one. It's not ideal, but for most people, a garage is a garage, and that's the one part of the house they really don't focus on too much unless they need something specific with a garage. Pay attention to the curb appeal. The exterior of your home creates the first impression for potential buyers. It's literally the first thing they do when they drive up. So enhance your home's curb appeal by maintaining a well-manicured lawn, trimming bushes and trees, removing any clutter or debris. Add potted plants or flowers near the entrance to create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. Ensure that the front door and exterior paint are clean and in good condition. You can think about painting your front door to add the curb appeal. Some people do unique colors like red or yellow, which can look really good depending on the color of the rest of your home. But make sure that if you do that, the color is the right one that really shows off your specific home. Curb appeal is one of the more important things you're going to do to get your home sold quickly. The difference between buyers pulling up to a dirty, unkept yard and a nicely manicured yard with new flowers and plants could be the difference of thousands of dollars in the sales price and weeks of it sitting on the market. Add finishing touches. Now, to elevate the overall presentation of your home, add tasteful decor and accents. Place strategically placed artwork, mirrors, or decorative items to create focal points and enhance the visual appeal of each room. Now, fresh flowers and vases, a neatly set dining table, and scented candles can add a welcoming touch and create a warm and inviting ambiance for potential buyers. Stage outdoor spaces. Now, don't overlook the importance of staging your outdoor areas. Clean and arrange outdoor furniture to create inviting seating areas on patios, decks, or porches. Add cushions, outdoor rugs, and decorative elements to enhance that visual appeal and create a nice atmosphere. Highlight any unique features of your outdoor spaces, such as a fire pit, a garden, a swimming pool, to showcase the full potential of your property. This is often overlooked by sellers as they don't think that staging the backyard or outdoors is important. But you want people to see potential and what they could do in the yard when they purchase the home. So it's important to have it looking its best. Now, these ideas are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to staging your home for sale. If you have the income or funds, I would personally recommend a staging company and or an interior designer to come evaluate your home with you to determine the best steps. I have the names of some of the best out there, so if you're considering that, give me a call. But if you follow these staging techniques, you can significantly increase the appeal and marketability of your home. Remember, a well-staged home allows potential buyers to imagine themselves living there, increasing the likelihood of a faster and more favorable sale. Now, if you guys are looking to buy or sell in the near future, reach out to me and we can talk about getting you the highest return on your investment when you decide to list or buy. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on the housing market and get videos like these on a regular basis. Thanks, guys.